everyone, welcome to Jay's Gallery. This art piece is made of brass. It's made by pouring copper salt solution onto the surface of brass, which will create a natural flow motif. Then the flow motifs are engraved by hand using a Dremel. The shape of this piece is done by hand hammering, and the colors are created by using heat torch, then engraved by Dremel. No pigments are used at all in his work. This is a purse made of brass. Lambskins are used for handle, inner pockets, and sides. It has a rosewood feet, so it stands by itself. When not using as a purse, you can display it in your home, on your shelf or table.